this is Anushka Sharma, a student of class 10. I will be reporting for this week's episode of MSPS Campus Chronicles. There is much more exciting things going to happen this week, that is result declaration of class 10th and 12th, summer camp activities, extra classes and much more. So, for the latest updates, stay tuned with us. Personality development, a way to behave formally. Another significant and mandatory feature of summer camp, wherein students learn and practice the values in life. They learn to work in team, being compassionate, loving, and tactful in various favorable and unfavorable situations. Children should off and on be taught values in life. So all the students are learning the values that be used in their upcoming future and being taught the values of life. Since it was the last day before the commencement of summer camp, all students are happy as they are going for their summer break holidays. Hope so they will be enjoying their summer camp holidays and be going somewhere out for the summer camp plan. Students are equally excited for their summer break, though parents may be worried for them as they all may be having their summer break plans. We all wish them a very happy holidays. Students are very excited for the summer break.
God bless you. सबसे पहले ये है वेरी गुड मान क्या हुआ सबको खिलाऊंगी सब खाएंगे हाथ से मैं तो आपके हाथ से खाऊंगा मोस्ट वेलकम आज भी खाओ और 2 साल बाद खाओ गुड अभी आप स्टूडेंट है देन अगेन है
देखिए सामने
एक बार और
एक मिनट थोड़ा सी मैम भी थोड़ा हाँ बस ऐसे फेस पे आ रहा ना फेस पे आ रहा है ऐसा देखो यहाँ देखो सामने
As 14th May was the last working day before the summer break, the summer camp for classes was to be started from 15th May. This preparation for the same were in full swing. Before going for vacation, summer camp instilled them with skills which they can continue in vacation at home and can upgrade them. Aerobics, another yet very interesting form of exercise which keeps our body fit and active. More or less a dance form which has become a new sensation since last decade. We can see students enjoying the beat of music with exercises. They are really having fun, which helps them enjoying their movement with exercises with the music, beat of music. It helps them to keep fit and active. Aerobics, make our body fit and active. More or less a form of dance which has become a new sensation since our last we can see students dancing, an art form of which all are a picture of. And this art form is always the most sought skill by the students in summer camp. So here we can see the students under the guidance of trainers are enjoying their dance, tapping their feet on the beats. They are really enjoying the teaching by the trainers and enjoying the music beats and dancing. Here we are in the primary section of the school where tiny tots are learning various activities and enjoying, where the teachers are teaching them various activities. Here we can see the happy faces of the children enjoying their movement and having a lots of fun over here. This is a game wherein our psychometer skills are tested, how quick or patient we are in taking decisions. This game also makes us capable in foreseeing and imagining future events. This game instills deep thinking, foreseeing decision making, strategy making in an individual. There we have a special trainer to train them and guide the students in using various tricks and strategies in a game. Now we are here in the art and craft class where the students are learning to make various new things from the clay, paper, colors and many more things. They all are surrounded by the colors and various new things. Teachers are teaching them to make various new things, like they are learning how to make things with the colors. Stone painting is going on here and they all are really excited to make various things. Here the match is going on between the girls. They are really playing very well using all the strategies and tricks. Teacher is teaching them to play with all the tricks and strategies. They are really active and enjoying. They are learning various tricks and strategies also. A sport which requires vigilance, alertness and promptness in the students. It is loved by each and every student. Here the trainers are teaching them the tricks and strategies about the game. It will really make them fit and active. They are really enjoying and playing with all the strategies and tricks. Here the students are learning how to play basketball and practicing some of the drills. The trainers are teaching them to practice the drills and how to control the ball. They are really excited playing the basketball in the summer camp. It helps them to keep fit and healthy in mind. It helps them to keep their body fit and learn some of the new tricks about the basketball.